Hi, so today I'm sharing with you a couple new little items that I got in case you're looking for something like this. And let's get started. I'm Tammy Inman, and this is A Peach Life. So here are a few new items, and I'm going to share with you what I possibly might be doing with them and some things that you might like. So right off, I'm always sharing with you guys cute little tins. And this says Italian preserved olives. And look, it looks like a little can on the top. And you pop it off. Well, it's in the dollar section at Target. I couldn't believe it. I don't even know how it's possible, but $1. And so it was a must. So I wanted to share with you guys because I got this last week. And what is it now? What are we, March 4th, sorry, June 4th. So of 2025. So if you're looking for that, there was tons when I was just there last week. But it was so cute. So I will find some little things here in my creative space that I'm going to put in there. And then I shared another time the little Leuchtturm Pen Loop. And I just love them. They come in many colors. And I had gotten a couple, and I wanted it for, well, I use it for several different things, but I thought it's going to be the green. I love the green with the green elastic for my watercolor traveler's notebook. And there's a little bit of green in my sunflowers. So I wanted to add that in. You can kind of add it anywhere. You could even, it doesn't have to be to the leather. I have the adhesive clear pocket, and I can add it to here, but you can also add it onto the zipper the clear zipper pouch. You can add it onto the little thick cardstock of one of your inserts. And so I'm trying to think how I want mine, because I want it in case I want to carry another little brush with me. My brushes are kind of packed in here tight right now. Let me show you. Oh, here comes my little partner. So I'm packed in here really tight now. There we go. And I kind of want to put one of my travel brushes on the outside. So let's see. Hi, Tommy. Let's see if they both work. Oh, they both work really well in there. So maybe like the larger one. Let's see. And I've added a new little sticker to my watercolor. It's a traveler's notebook sticker. It says Pan America World Airways. It's really cute. Hawaii, so I love that. And so we'll figure out which brush. So I'm gonna add that. I think I'm gonna just add it in here to the back. I think overall that would probably be the best little spot. And then I'll show you some other little goodies. I kind of like that space in between there. Okay, let's adhere it. Let me kind of figure. Okay, so I want to use that. All right, so I'm gonna go a little bit inward inside the notebook, not flush, because I kind of am hoping, my thought is, it will kind of sit more inside in the little, let's see, pockety space. Yes. Yeah, it does. So inside that little zip pouch that kind of overhangs, instead of letting it really hang out here far. But you'll find the perfect little spot for yours. Let's see if I put the larger one in. Oh, that's so good. Okay. And then either or really do fit in here. And those are Rosemary and Company from, I got mine from Art Toolkit. Same with my little watercolor is from Art Toolkit. I love that. And see, I already used the Traveler's Notebook one up here. And if that moves too much for you, because I've stretched mine out, you could just use a pair of little pliers and kind of get that to close up a bit. Okay, so I love that. I love having my brush just on there. This is like my go-to brush. I love it so much. It's really good for some super great detail, R10, and also for larger painting. Okay, so I got that, and that is the little Leuchtturm one. The Travelers Company one's a little bit big, the loop is for that. So you can see where that comes in quite handy. And then I have the little Ateliers, I believe. I'm probably still not doing it right. Okay, look how cute this is. This is in the green, and this one was from 26 Marketplace. And the little pocket in the back, is that so wonderful? Okay, it does hold your Traveler's Notebook, but not with all my goodies I add to the top of mine. So I'll just drop a regular one in there. So it's really perfect if you have like a little theme one, like a travel one, and you're bringing other things with you. Or I have a little tea cafe journal one, and some of my extra little ephemera and stickers and such I can put in there and just zip that up and toss it in my little tote bag for all my little things I'm going to work on with it. Like where is my other little goodies? They should be right here. Oh, yes. Okay. I can put another little insert like in there. I can drop in my little pocket sleeve back there. This actually does have some little things that I'm going to use to work on in my tea journal and my art journal. But you can keep all those little items together. Little specific items. So cute, right? Okay, so this is the square size. And then I got this one, which is really cute, also from 26 Marketplace. And I really love this. It's kind of, you can use it as a little wallet. It can be used as so much. But I like that this little part, they made useful as a little pouch. So you could put pens and such in there. So I think for me right now, I'm going to put that in my, isn't that so cute? So this is a new little patch of mine. I'm kind of all over the place, but I thought he'd be so good on here. But I am liking him over here. Okay, but he's also the perfect little size for on the cover of a Traveler's Notebook. I already did my red notebook, but wouldn't he be so good on the red notebook? Oh my gosh, he would be perfection on the red notebook, on the red Traveler's Notebook. Now this patch is from Glitterpunk. It's glitterpunk.co.uk. So I got this at the little like Kinokuniya, whatever it's called, little store. I got mine in the Georgia location. Okay, adorable, isn't it? So good. I could not pass it up. So it's an iron-on patch. And then you can keep so many little things. So I think I'm going to keep this in my pouch and maybe keep like my little packet of medicine and my little lip gloss and things like that for summer. So we'll see how I end up packing it all up, and I will share that with you. But I just kind of wanted to show you a quick little glimpse of some new goodies I got. The little claw clip, also from 26 Marketplace. And then I got this when I was at the Kinokuniya something little store. And it is a little, it says Bird Club. I had to go with a Bird Club. Oh my gosh, is that not the cutest? Bird Club. Adorable. Okay. It says embroidered patch. Pen, what is that? Pen Trill, the company. It says Peanuts Worldwide. Okay. So I was thinking kind of my patch on here. Oh, I don't know. It's so cute. So we'll see about that. So that's a thought. I'll put it on if it go with that for like an upcoming little video. I feel like that's cute, but it's kind of not going with that theme. I could just put this one and wrap it up, and that's it. That's done. It's also super cute on here, don't you think? So good as just like that one main patch. I love that. So we'll see. The cat's adorable here, but I'm not for sure 100% feeling it there. Boy, on the red would be so adorable. All right, so I'm not kicking myself or anything. I could add it. Oh, that would be so cute. Added like a little tilt there. And then this. But then I'm kind of thickening up, so we'll see. We shall see, we shall see. Okay, so those are some new little goodies. Oh, and I have one more. I got a smaller one, also from 26 Marketplace. Okay, so there are some of the new little goodies and ideas, and so I wanted to kind of share with you. I loved this as a little option, and the little Leuchtturm, those little pen clips. What did I say it was? Well, oh, here it is. Okay, pen loop. Love those so much. I had gotten a black one before, but I didn't really feel like the black would be as great as like the orangey yellow or a green. So it works out perfect. I love that as my toss in my little tote bag or purse for on-the-go watercolor goodness. I have lots of other videos for a closer look, so you guys could peek at those. Also, adding patches and the overall organizing of this wonderful little bag. So stay tuned. We'll see how I end up using those patches together. Questions, let me know. Like if you enjoyed, and subscribe. And I got more videos coming up for you, so check out some of these other ones. Thanks so much for joining me.